If it's $50, no way.
You have these choices.
Now, another excursion. This car is still very dirty. So I heard on Google Maps that there is a Circle K down the street, a couple kilometers, that has a car wash, has a drive-through car wash. And I'm gonna go check it out. And if it's not like $50 or something, I'm gonna do it. See the car wash, is it open? Oh, come on. Not open. See, on Google Maps Street View, these doors were open. Car wash, choose type of payment. Well, card. Yeah, I just want information. Il vasque lady. That means car wash is free, like nobody's using it now. Let's go in and ask. Your car wash, is it closed right now?
No.
The door is down.
Oh, wait, then the door goes up.
Okay,
by itself
okay.
When you pay.
Okay.
You have these choices then. Is it very dirty or?
Kind of dirty.
Yeah. Then at least
I'll try this.
go with that.
Yeah. Very nice guy inside. He showed me all the prices. They range from about $22 up to like 40 or something. The dirt on the car, it's the kind of dirt you see on your car and you think, well, this is dirty, this thing needs a car wash. And then you see the prices for the car wash, you look at the car again, you're like, it's not that bad. Anyway, I was thinking, well, if they're like $10 or $15, okay. If it's $50, no way. But it was $26, the one I saw, $27. And I was like, I hadn't thought of that. So I said, okay. 818-440. Boop. Code. And he said the door would open. 818-440. And it says, okay. Oh, there it goes. Okay, the green arrows say go, and it says stop. Here we go. Windows all up. Here's a cool thing the Lexus can do, and I'm glad it can do it because I pulled in a little bit too far to the left. On the Circle K website, the Circle K Norway website, the people in the models and the stock people, whatever, getting a car wash in their car on the webpage are like, and I thought, well, that's a little over the top, but now I can kind of see it. Whee! I might not normally do this right now, but I'm not planning on driving on any more kind of muddy roads, as far as I can tell, not for a while anyway. And it's just kind of embarrassing. I like to drive a sleek car when we get up to North Cape, which will be in a couple days, North Cape. $27 is expensive, but it's not wasted. All right, let's go see how this thing looks in the daylight. Well, I'm hopeful because I thought that was pretty good. We'll pull into this little alcove. I guess it's the car checking alcove. Well, a definite improvement. That's fantastic. It's fantastic. It's a real car again. You couldn't even hardly read the Hertz thing before. It was so muddy. Okay, I like it. Well, they took my $27, but they did a great job, so what can I say? All right, thanks for coming with me on the Norwegian car wash excursion. Now you know, and now I know. It can be done. Back at the hotel, a closer inspection showed that the car wash wasn't quite as perfect as it seemed at first. And by the next morning, somehow the car looked really dirty. But it was still great timing for the car wash because the next day, this sunset was reflected in it and it looked great. Thanks for watching. See you next time.